Makakasama natin ngayon through the line ang marketing sa World Bex International, si Sir Leo Salonga. Good morning!
Good morning, Carlo. Good morning din po sa lahat ng mga viewers natin. Hello po sa inyong lahat.
Yes
Thank
po,
you for
thank you.
having me, Carlo.
Yes po, thank you so much for taking the time for joining us this morning. But I would like to ask right now, in regards to the up and coming event this coming Thursday dyan sa SMX Lanang, simultaneous ba talaga ito, sir?
Yes, we're inviting everybody, lahat po ng mga Davaoenos to come and visit us this coming Thursday po, no? That's May 8 to May 11. We'll be having our Davao Trio. That's the biggest exposition right here in Davao City. It's three shows in one venue. That's the Philippine Building and Construction Exposition, or PhilBex. It's in the construction and design industry, along with two more shows. That's the Travel and Leisure Expo and the MAFBEX. MAFBEX will be the first here in Davao City. So that's a food and beverage show. So that's three show in one venue. So yeah, iniimbitahan po namin kayong lahat na pumunta po sa SMX Convention Center in SM Lanang. The registration is for free. Come and visit yung mga bagong innovation, mga sustainable developments in the food and beverage industry, and also from the construction and building and design, and also yung mga um, hotel and resorts all over the Philippines.
Okay, so what are the expectations po sa ating mga Dabawenyo that they are interested in terms sa sabihin natin yung mga tatlong events na pupuntahan nila this coming Thursday in construction, travel and leisure, and also ang hindi matatawarang pagkain. Yan yung paborito ng ating
Yes.
mga Dabawenyo po.
Totoo yan. Sige, simulan natin sa pagkain, no? Of course, sa pagkain, sa food and beverage, you can have, of course, free taste, no? Para matikman natin lahat ng mga inihanda ng mga exhibitors natin. Sa Manila Food, sa MAFBEX, no? Nandyan ang mga exhibitors natin from the Department of Agriculture, from the Department of Trade and Industries, and from BIFAR, so mga MSMEs all over Davao region, no? Tikman natin yung mga inihanda nilang mga putahe para sa ating lahat. And of course, kung kayo din po ay may mga business, may makikita kayo diyang mga packaging materials na available sa exhibition natin. Now doon naman tayo sa sa PhilBex, no, or the construction and design industry, no. We have more than 100 exhibitors over there. In fact, meron din tayong mga exhibitors from international like Vietnam, Korea, and also from in Thailand, no, na mag-exhibit din ng kanilang mga bagong produkto, world-class products, no, and materials sa construction industry. Meron din tayong mga seminars and lectures that are available within our grounds.
Right. So ito, why po, I can see po yesterday that ikaw yung isa sa mga
Yes.
guest po. But ito po,
Oo.
yan ba yung first time yung sa MAFBEX po dito sa Davao?
Yes, it's our first time here in Davao for MAFBEX. Although we've been bringing in our construction show and our travel show here in Davao for 9 years consecutive, no. But for the first time, we're bringing in our food show. MAFBEX is one of the biggest show in the country, no. We have MAFBEX in Manila, also in Iloilo, and also in Cebu. So for the first time, dinala po namin ang MAFBEX dito sa Davao City. Dahil nakita namin yung potential ng food and beverage sector here in Davao. Of course, ang sarap ng tuna ninyo.
Yes.
Sobrang sarap ng mga pagkain dito, mga prutas. At MAFBEX po ay isa sa platform para mas ma-showcase pa natin yung mga products natin here in Davao City.
Opo. So, alam natin na binabalik-balikan nyo po itong Davao dahil dami
Yes.
din sa, not only in Davaoenos, but also Mindanaoans who would be interested din sa mga ganito, and especially dun sa travel and leisure and sa construction firm. Pero matanong ko lang po,
Yes.
sir, what sets apart for this year, of course, and as what you have mentioned earlier, compared to the previous editions of PhilBexpo?
Of course, we're expecting more crowd this year. From last year, we draw 11,000 foot traffic. So we're expecting more crowd this year. Kaya iniimbitahan po namin kayong lahat na ma-witness yung showcase ng mga companies that are exhibiting for MAFBEX, for PhilBex, and for TLEX. Aside from that, we've invited mga experts, no, from the industries of building and design, from travel, and also from Food and Beverage Expo. Of course, we have to learn from these experts para mas mapalayog pa natin yung mga businesses natin, no? Especially sa mga MSMEs out there, not just for MSMEs, but also students, no? It's important also to explore yung mga bagong ideas and new technologies in these industries, no? Kaya naman, if you're an architect, or maybe if you're from the F&B students, no, please do check out our shows.
Yes po. Sir, I would just like to also ask regarding to the, of course, the younger generations of the
Mm-mm.
of this year. I don't know if you have the liberty to answer this, but I think it is in regarding with the, of course, the students, whether if they're architects or so, with all of the startups, the businesses being booming right now, especially dito sa Davao. Of course, ang dami namang mga estudyante na nagsisimula
Yes,
sila sa kanilang mga
totoo yan.
negosyo. But of course, we cannot deny the fact that in the long run and after they graduate, their startup business will not be sufficient enough. So, can you
Yes,
give the advice of our younger generations also to those who will begin with their businesses in terms
yes,
of, let's just say, food, the
yes.
construction, and so on?
Yes, actually lagi ko rin 'tong tinatanong sa mga experts, no. Not just an experts, actually isa din sa mga advice na binibigay natin for those mga students who wants to become an entrepreneur is to really try and explore and check out what's new out there. Innovate, because if we don't innovate, our businesses will really die. And one of paano tayo mag-innovate, no, sa mga businesses natin, it's to really explore B2B opportunities. B2B or business to business events like mga events ni World Tech Services International. That's the reason why we're here in Davao City, no? To bring in yung mga companies from all over the Philippines. These companies are experts in their field. Some are MSMEs, no? And of course, ang reason why they're here also is to give advice, no, to their fellow business entrepreneurs, no. Kaya naman, if you're a student or aspiring entrepreneurs, please do check out expositions like PhilBex, MAFBEX, and TLEX, no. So magkita-kita po tayo dyan.
Yes. Also, another question in regards sa ating, syempre, yung mga Gen Z ngayon, travel buddies, kumbaga, I don't know kung ano, if they're aware, but of course, despite sa mga challenges na nangyari dito sa atin sa Mindanao, and of course, with tourism booming right now, ano ba yung nakikita natin? I don't know if you have the liberty to answer this question. Yung nakikita natin na potential na baka sakali lang na merong mga discovered na mga lugar na gusto nilang mapuntahan po.
Actually, ang dami, lalo na dito sa Davao City. But we've explored regions from here in Davao, also in Iloilo, and also in Cebu. Actually, ang yaman-yaman ng Pilipinas, no, um, in terms of tourism industry, no. We're so glad to be partnering with the Department of Tourism to become a platform for them para mas ma-explore pa ng ating mga kababayan yung yaman ng Pilipinas. Nakakatuwa din, no, that World Tech Services International is becoming a platform for big or small businesses out there. Like for example, yung sa TLEX namin, for this coming expo, we'll be having Newport Resorts. So please do check out their new lines of services, no, in the hospitality industry.
Opo.
Not just a Newport, no, marami pa tayong mga mag-exhibit dyan, no, in partnership with the Department of Tourism.
Opo. What is the target for this from May 8 to 11 po with the simultaneous 3 events? Okay, wait lang. Mukhang nawawala tayo ha. Okay. Okay, sorry. All right. I'll ask ilang target participants na we expect for May 8 to May 11 po.
Yes, we're targeting more than 10,000 visitors for this coming event here in SMX Lanang.
Yes po. All right.
Uh,
Yeah, so I hope that many, not only Dabaweños, no, but of course from the other regions would be expecting na
Correct,
darating po. All right.
correct.
Yes po. So, wala na po ako ibang tanong, and again, invite our viewers and listeners to go to the simultaneous events and when they're interested in the construction firm or the travel or our favorite food.
Yes, Carlo, thank you very much for this opportunity. Also, sa lahat ng mga Davaoenos natin, we're inviting all of you, whether you're a professional, a student, or anybody from the field of construction, design, food and beverage, or kung gusto niyo lang po tumikim at bumisita, or kung gusto niyo lang po mag-check out ng mga bagong products and materials, please do check out Manila Food and Beverage, or MAFBEX Davao, and Philbex, and also TLEX, now this coming May 8 to May 11 at SMX Convention Center, Davao in SM Lanang. We're open from 11 a.m. up until 7 p.m. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan. Ang importante dito, Carla, the registration is free. So libre po natin yan ma-explore, no? Please do visit us. All you have to do is just register online, wilbexevents.com, or you can just drop by and register on ground.
Yes, and with that, thank you so much, and I hope to see you on Thursday.
Carlo, thank you. I'll see you
Yes.
on Thursday, Carlo.
Thank you for the chance,
you.
and I hope that your event will be successful here in Davao. Thank you.
Thank you, Carlo. Thank you. God bless. Bye.